All right, welcome everyone to tonight's affiliate presentation. It's Wednesday night as normal, same time every week. Wednesday, we will have a presentation for affiliates on the 3 ways to make money through Aureus on the side, not just the core business, which is a shareholder, but on the side as an affiliate. While it lasts and while there is still shares to be sold, we have the affiliate side of the business running. So what are we talking about? We're talking about Aureus Alliance Holdings, which is in the name it says to you, Aureus is the name of the company. Alliance means the company's building relationships and alliances, and holdings means that it's going to hold more than just one venture. It's going to hold many ventures. Right now, our first and main and core venture is gold mining, which means everything is gold backed, real gold, real profits, and everything that is being done is designed to create long-term shareholder value while uplifting the communities. Now, obviously, we talk about many communities in general most of the time, but tonight we're going to talk more about us as shareholders, but the affiliate side of the business, which is the one that sort of drives the business to grow faster. Because when we are working behind the scenes, we gain more momentum for the company. And when that happens, we see greater and faster growth, because then the company can put the money to use into buying more wash plants and getting wash plants active, which then turns into production. More production means more profits, more dividends for all of us as shareholders. So that is why it's important for us to take note of those of us that are able to do this. We are the ones that make the business grow faster. All right. So that being said, I spoke about 3 ways to get paid. But before that, let me just explain to you why you want to become an affiliate. Becoming an Aureus affiliate. Imagine a system where every time someone purchases shares because of you, remember, you shared a link with someone, because that's the only way someone can join the business, is through a link like the link you have in your back office, because the company needs to give someone recognition for bringing that person on as a business partner or a shareholder. All right. That means when that happens, you get paid. Now, that is the system behind it. That's the entire idea behind the Aureus affiliate program. Same as Amazon. When you become an Amazon affiliate and you find a product that you resonate with, you go and you share it with people, however and wherever you want to do that, whether it's on social media or you just talk to people on WhatsApp or however you want to do it, and then those people buy that product, you get paid. Very similar to what Aureus is doing. You get that link, they sign up, you get the commission. I will explain that as point one of the ways that you get paid. All right. It's a simple, optional way to earn, built for people who like sharing opportunities. Now, remember, there's 2 words there. It's optional. It does not mean you have to do this to earn money. It's just for those that want to earn money right now while waiting for your dividends. Because as a shareholder, your dividends are only getting paid 4 times per year, in January, April, July, and October. But we all know living happens daily. Living expenses are happening daily, monthly. So we need money like today, we need it at the end of the month, and ongoing, we need our money. So some of us feel, okay, if there's a way to make money daily, weekly, monthly, then I might just be open to that. So yes, if you are one of those people that understand that, and you know you need to take part in something like that, that enables you to do that, then you might feel also the obligation in your own. I'm not saying you're obligated to do it. I'm just saying of your own. If you have an opportunity that will help you do that, then you're going to feel obligated in your own way to then share it with others. especially if you know that it can help you earn money, but it can also help others earn money. That is what this is. It's a simple optional way for you to earn money while sharing it with other people. So as it says at the bottom there, you share the opportunity, someone buys shares, they become your downliner, you get paid from that. Your network is your future, and really your network is your future. I know um, team leaders at the moment that are, I don't want to say lazy, but I can call it lazy money. Sorry, lazy money, because they have built a team that is so big already in Aureus that every time their team is doing something, they're earning money without even knowing it. All right, and I'll explain where that comes from. It's one of your third ways to get paid. All right. Sorry, guys, I just need to run and get water. I am getting hiccups coming. Just give me 2 seconds while I'll be back. Seconds. Sorry. All right. So the first way to get paid, or should I say, let me explain the three ways to get paid first, and then we'll go into the first way. So Aureus is currently in phase 9 at $50. All right. And we have 763,637 shares available. Now that would make the company 38 odd million. All right. Okay, that is what it would make us if we were to sell out all of those shares. All right. Now, when we do the affiliate side of the business, there are three ways to get paid. The first way, number one, is direct sales commission, where you earn 15% direct sales commission from everyone that you introduce that buys shares under you or from your link when they register. The second way to get paid is via the Gold Diggers competition. This is a monthly competition for the top 50 affiliates that have the greatest sales volume over the month. All right, you will be ranked, and according to that, wherever you lie on the top 50, you will get paid. That will be the second way to get paid that I will explain. The third way to get paid is called the daily performance pool. This is also 2 individuals, but it is a team incentive. So in other words, what do I mean by that? You earn from the daily team performance pool. And that is 5% that is allocated to that from every day's sales. So whatever the sales are for today, company-wide, 5% of those sales goes into the pool. That pool then gets divided amongst the top 10 team leaders of their teams. All right, that's the third way to get paid that I will explain. So there's 3 ways to get paid. One mission. All you need to do is share, grow, and prosper. All right. So this is how the affiliate commission works. The direct sales commission, which is point number 1. When you introduce someone who decides to buy shares, you earn a 15% direct sales commission. It's broken up into 2 parts. Listen carefully. The first part is 10% USDT goes into your wallet. On your dashboard, you'll see on the affiliate side, there is a commission tab. In that, you will find a part where when you've earned any income, it will be there and it will show you what you've earned. All right. Secondly, the other 5%, buys you fractional shares. The system automatically is programmed to do that on your behalf. So whenever you invite someone and they purchase shares underneath you, 5% of that value goes into fractional shares for you. This just enables your portfolio to build. So you might start, let's say, with 10 shares. You might start introducing people. Let's say you've got 100 people underneath you and they all buy 10 shares eventually like you did. You'll see that you're not going to stay on 10 shares. You're going to grow over time because automatically the system is buying you fractional shares every time those people sign up as well. So you may just find that you get more shares. Well, not you will find, you are going to find that you're going to have more shares to your name eventually. All you're going to have to do with your fractional shares is go into your back office and you're going to need to go and consolidate those fractional shares to make them one full share, depending on how much you've got. Because remember, the system doesn't recognize point so much shares when we get our dividends. It needs to only recognize the full share. So if you've got let's say 1.25, you need to go and consolidate that so that the 1 becomes a full share and then the 0.25 is fractional shares until you get another 0.75 to add to it. All right, I hope that makes it clear. So as your network grows, you also receive tiny fractional rewards from team activity. So that's basically what it's about. Every time your team is performing under you, you're also going to receive. And this is, I will explain it in the next few slides how it works. All right, so you share the opportunity, you earn rewards, and you build your future. All right, so let's give an example. When a person you invite purchases $10,000 value in shares, all right, that 10% then would mean you get $1,000. The 5% means you would get $500 worth of fractional shares. Now, today's price currently, that means you get 10 full shares. If this was a scenario, because you would be able to go to your fractional shares and see, hey, at the value of what I got as fractional shares, which is $500, but at the current value of $50 per share, that means I should have 10 shares to consolidate and make 10 full shares. So you go to your back office, you do that, and you'll see then that you have those 10 shares to have next to your name. All right. So both rewards work together. They grow your wealth and your future. So like I said, you could go and convert or withdraw your 10% that you get in your commission wallet. I know there are some leaders at the moment that are working hard. They're saying, no, for the next so many months, they're just going to work, and whatever they earn, they're going to put back into shares so that they can grow their portfolio. So by the time we start getting dividends, they're going to have more dividends coming to them in that regard. So they are doing it like that. However, I'm not telling you you have to do it like that. It's up to you. When you get your 10% in your USDT wallet on the system, you can withdraw it if you want, or like I said, there are those that are converting it. They are choosing to do that. All right, so moving on. So let's give you an example. You invite John. John purchases 10,000 value in shares. The transaction is completed. So you, as the inviter, like I said, get $1,000, and $500 buys you fractional shares, the 5%. All right, so let's take it a step further. As I said just now, when your team works, you also going to be making money from fractional shares. And this is how it's going to work. Watch what happens on the next slide. Because I invited John, all right, so my sponsor, the person that invited me, is Tom. So watch what happens. Because John bought shares from me, but Tom invited me. So remember, he's that side of me, as you can see in the example. Because John bought those shares, and I then had $500 worth of fractional shares purchased for me via the system. Tom then receives his 15% commission, the same as I did from that purchase. And then his upliner gets the same from the 15% or the 5% fractional shares that my system bought me. So it goes like that 4 levels back. So in this case of my $500 worth of fractional shares, Tom would receive $50 in USDT in his wallet, and $25 would buy him fractional shares. In this case, at today's current price, that would be a half a share. A half a share, so he gets a half a share because of me inviting someone with $10,000 worth of shares. All right. So your upliner grows, or your upline grows when you grow. So that is basically what it's about. We are helping each other grow as we are building the business together. All right. So that is the first way to get paid. All right. The second way to get paid is what we call the Gold Diggers competition. This is where the company, like I said, pays the top 50 affiliates that rank according to their total performance, which means your total sales for the month that you brought in will count towards where you are on the leaderboard. So in first place, you would earn 50% of the pool. Second place, you'd earn 12%. Third place, you would earn 10%. Fourth to 10th place, you would earn 3%. 11th to 20th place, you would earn 2%, sorry. 21st to 30th place, you'd earn 1%. And if you're in 31st to 50th place, you'd earn 0.6%. All right, let's move forward. Just to give you an example, if the company had $300,000 as a pool, this is what you would earn. So if you were in first place with a 15%, you would earn 45,000. If you were in second place at 12%, you would earn 36,000. If you were in third place at 10%, you'd earn 30,000. Everyone in fourth place to 10th place at 3% would earn 9,000 each. Everyone in 11th to 20th place at 2% would earn 6,000 each. And everyone in 21st to 30th place earning 1% would get 3,000 each. Everyone in 31st to 50th place earning 0.6% would earn 1.8 thousand each. All right, so more winners, more rewards. Let's build, let's grow together. Now, folks, if you can remember, those of you that have been in for a while, the original Gold Diggers competition only paid 10 places, not 50. And it was also very, very difficult for a lot of people to get in because of it. This has been and made it more fair for a lot of people to earn money. And I can tell you, I believe right now the system is really, really working for a lot of people that in the past probably found it hard to work, to work the business and earn. There are people that are doing it currently. And I know there are some people that are earning very well. They are capitalizing on the opportunity. They are not looking at the issue of, oh, we're not getting paid dividends right now. They're saying, listen, there is still a way to get paid. Let me just take it into my own hands. And they are working this program. And this Gold Diggers is made some people really, really shine, like the diamonds that go on top of gold. So they're waiting for the gold, but they're polishing their own little gem in a way, because they're making their diamond shine so that when the gold comes, that's just the foundation. But they know they're building their own little diamond to put on top of their gold so that the ring is more complete at the end. I'm just using jewelry as an analogy. Excuse me, I always try and paint pictures. I'm not an artist, but I will try and do it with words. So if you understand who I am and the way I explain things, it's just me saying and giving my little bit. I won't even say 2 cents worth is the old saying, because 2 cents isn't even worth anything anymore. Let's call it 5 rand worth, because at least 5 rand is still worth something. All right. All right, folks, the third way to get paid. We are almost there. Daily performance pool. Now, this is something that was introduced. We've jumped months again now. We've just changed phase. It's about 3 months ago. JP brought this thing into play. This is now where it's a incentive for team leaders, but you will need a team to then earn this. So it's a double-edged sword, if I can put it that way, right? So you are able to compete, climb, and win every day, because every day things get reset, and you might not have earned today as a team leader or as a team, but tomorrow your team might have sales and you might find yourself at the top of the leaderboard. So it's for the top 10 teams to win daily prizes. So folks, just watch this, because at the end there's a very powerful example and I will show it to you. All right, so 5%, like I said, every day of every purchase. So it doesn't matter what the company sells today, whatever the total sales are of the company for today, 5% goes into the pool. All right, so when the purchase, when a share is purchased, 5% of that share then gets put into the pool, and that goes towards the daily performance pool. All right, moving on. Excuse me. You need the following to compete. Like I said, it is a team performance pool. So as a leader, for you to earn as the leader, you need a team of 5 level 1 referrals. Then you also need 5 level 2 referrals. So preferably under those 5 level 1 referrals. Each of them have to be an active shareholder with at least 1 share. All right. When that is the case, you then are eligible to be a qualified team leader, and you can go in the back office, register your team name, and you can then stand a chance to win as your team is inviting people. All right. Like I said, that just means every day while you are a registered team leader, if your team performs and sells shares, you may just find yourself featuring on that leaderboard. All right. That is how you qualify to earn. And if you are, I will tell you, there are still about, the last I checked, 59 leaders that are qualified to be team leaders, but they haven't registered their team on the back office. So again, I'm going to say, there are people out there that should be on tonight's meeting. 59 of you. 59 of you need to hear this, but are not and do not know about it, because somehow it is going over the head or through one ear and out the other ear, and people are not understanding it. There is money on the table. I don't know if Kamar is here tonight. I don't think I see his name on the list here. No, I don't see him on the list. Maybe he's busy. But I love the way he put it the other day, that money is on the table. And some people just don't get it. There is money on the table. If you especially are someone that invites and trains other people and helps them to understand this business, and you give them the tools and the knowledge, why would your team then not perform? And why would you as a team leader then leave the money on the table? If you could have a registered team and you are not, and how many days have gone past since you've been eligible, and you're not allowing that to take place because you haven't registered yourself to be on that leaderboard. Folks, go into your back office and look. Those of you that are here tonight, I believe, are affiliates for a reason. Go and look if you do not have the ability to register as a team leader in the daily performance pool. Because there are 59, the last I checked, that are still eligible but are not even earning because they haven't registered. All right. So go and register if you can. All right. How winners are ranked. So your team volume decides your position. So obviously, the bigger your team, the more you've grown, your team has grown, doesn't matter. Your entire team counts. All levels of your downline included. The higher volume, the more purchases increase your rank. All right. Remember, doesn't matter, like we said, how many levels deep your organization goes, so to say. The greater your team, the bigger earning potential you have. And like I said, if you eventually do build a team that is big, as I said earlier, I don't want to call it lazy money, but when you can leverage, let me use the word leverage rather. Leverage money. Let's call it leverage money. I think lazy money is not nice to say because maybe that's why people aren't joining. Maybe they feel that I'm saying they're lazy. So maybe I'm shooting myself in the foot when I say lazy money. But folks, leveraged money. For you to earn leverage money, or as Warren Buffett puts it, if you can learn to earn while you are sleeping, then you will not work until you die. Now, I believe very strongly that a lot of us need to learn that, because a lot of us are in that employee cycle where we are living from paycheck to paycheck. And before we know it, the money comes in for the month and it goes out before the month end, or should I say before the next paycheck comes. We're struggling to find where we're going to get more money from. And that's the reality of life, because I do know in a lot of cases, some people's salaries are just not enough anymore. I'm not saying you're wrong by earning a salary, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying I know the reality of living expenses compared to what companies are paying. All right. And it's not realistic. I know I was a sole breadwinner when I was working for a boss. I believed he was doing his best. I believed so. But when I look back at it now, I'm looking, you know what? What he paid me as a salary doesn't even pay for one tire on his bakkie that he drives. So is that the value he puts on me to run his business and to manage his business? That if I was as valuable as a tire, one tire, not even a full set of tires on his car, does he really value who I am? And does he really value my family's time that I'm not spending with them, but spending it in his business? So I had an eye-opening opportunity. And I looked at this and I said, no. Come on. Something has to change here. And that is why I'm appreciating the fact that right now I can look at this with a different outlook on life, where I can learn to earn money off leverage of working and helping others do the same. So when you have a team of like-minded, self-made individuals, if I can put it to that term, because if you know how to earn money by yourself or in a way that you don't rely on someone else, then no one can stop you. No one can stop you. I know there are team leaders here that they open their mouth and they speak to someone and things happen because they've learned that. They've got comfortable with that. And it's those people that doesn't matter what you put on the table in front of them. Whenever there's an opportunity to make money, they thrive because they've learned how to do this exact thing, which is learn to make money for yourself through opportunities like this. All right. So moving forward, the Daily Rewards pays the top 10 teams, and it's a daily performance pool. Remember, so this is how you get paid and how the payments work. The original Gold Diggers competition used this scenario, but now it's become the daily performance pool scenario. First place gets 40% of the pool. Second place gets 20% of the pool. Third place gets 12% of the pool, and everyone in 4th to 10th place gets 4% of the pool. All right. When the payment is made at the end of the night, when it cuts off, then the payments are made as follows. 80% of whatever you earn, wherever you fall on the leaderboard, goes into your USDT wallet. 20% will buy you fractional shares. Same as your direct sales commission, but this is just regarding your daily performance pools as a team leader. All right. It's paid daily. You normally will get an email, and I do believe, I think someone shared a image the other night in the group showing the email that they received when they earned commission on that day. So you do get an email every day that you earn. You will be notified, and it will say, hey, you earned commission of so and so, you performed on the daily performance pool, and then it will let you know that there's money in your back office and that there's fractional shares that were purchased for you. So you will get notified. All right. So you compete daily, you earn daily, and you grow together. All right. Obviously, grow together being the very operative word. If you are building a team, you can grow together. Now watch what happens when that happens. All right. In this example, when I took the screenshot, I didn't notice or know names at that stage. I just took the screenshot off the dashboard. But look at this very carefully. From number 6 all the way down to number 10. Those are all one team. It's one team, and it's exactly in that order is how they introduce themselves to the business. So, Team MyCoin is Werner. Gold Life is Wayne, which is under Werner. Team EWK is Kevin, which is under Wayne. Ziavuya 84 is Rafiwa, which is under Kevin. And then Team Anita Baby is Anita, which is under Rafiwa. So as you can see, that whole team from Werner right down to Anita, the 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, the 5 of them are literally in this specific day that we took this picture. They were right behind each other on the leaderboard because that team performed together on that day. And as you can see, they all earned $25.71 that day as a team. So like I said, grow together, earn together. Because if you all learn to qualify and have a team, like all 5 of them do have a qualified team, you can earn. Because obviously, why did everyone above Anita earn? Because on that specific day, Anita's team was even performing. So Anita's team helped Ziavuya earn, or Rafiwa earn. Rafiwa's team helped Kevin's team earn. Kevin's team helped Wayne's team earn. And Wayne's team helped Werner's team earn. And that's why they all performed on the leaderboard. So folks, this is why leveraging off others can help you. All right. So I'm sorry I used that other L word. I'm not going to use it anymore. All right. But let's call it leveraged income. All right. So folks, those are the ways to get paid in Aureus. Excuse me, sorry. I hate sneezing with a passion. Excuse me, sorry. Since my accident, whenever I sneeze, it hurts my face. Sorry about that. And then it makes my eyes itch as well, and I can't see. Sorry, folks. When you see your dashboard, you can see where you stand, as it says on the left-hand side there. You'll see a little arrow like this on the dashboard. All right. It's on the top right here, normally of the actual dashboard, and you can click on it and it updates the dashboard. So you will see the top 10 teams listed there, and it can update in real time. All right. So folks, just at the bottom there, it says build your team, increase your volume, win together. Remember, a stronger team means a bigger volume. The higher the rank, the bigger the rewards. So every day is a new day, a new pool with new opportunities. All right. So just to cap it off right at the bottom, track your rank, build your team, compete daily. All right, folks, that is the 3 ways to get paid. But now, why does this exist? Let's just recap and remind you. Sorry. Missing something on my table that I should have, and I don't have it. Sorry. I told you that sneeze is going to make everything go loose in my face here. Folks, to empower ordinary people to build extraordinary futures. I know, like I said, a lot of us are, let me use this box as an example. A lot of us, when we get a job, we are put in a box. And let me explain what I mean by getting put in a box. When I was working for a boss, I was working in one location, in one shop, earning one salary. And that is like a box. All right? But now, the example I'm giving you is tablets. All right? I'm not trying to promote the tablets. I'm just using it as an example. Remember, those tablets could have been in the box, actually, and they could have been in the packaging. And they would have just stayed there. They wouldn't have really served the purpose. Honestly, wouldn't have served the purpose. However, I had to take them, like I said, out the box, and now I can drink them, and then they will be active or used in the way that it should. And I believe a lot of us are still like this. We're inside the box working for a boss because we have not come out to realize what we truly possess as abilities and talents and opportunities that are on the table for us. Because I know, let's be honest, put up your hand. Let's really be honest. Put up your hand if you feel and relate to what I've just said. And if you feel like you're working in a place where you believe you are inside a box and you have not become who you feel you could become, put up your hand and be honest with yourself. I know I'm going to put up my hand for where I was because I don't feel I'm there now. But I can tell you that I was like that, so I'm going to put up my hand and I will do it. I'll lead by example. I'll say I was one of those. Robert, am I audible? I'm not sure if people are hearing me.
Sorry, yes, we can hear you. I've heard your whole Zoom meeting so far.
All right. I'm wondering then why there's no one hearing me. No one hearing
It
me.
seems like
I'm not
everyone
sure.
is quiet tonight.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Maybe I'm just so loud that people turn down their speakers eventually and they'd rather just look at the pictures. I don't know. Where's Mr. Ravinda? Mr. Ravinda in the house. I don't know if you heard me, but can you relate to what I said, Ravinda? Did you hear what I said there?
Yes, Paul. Yes, Paul. Everything is very
Yes, you
loud and
can
clear.
relate,
Don't
or
worry.
yes, you heard me.
Yes.
Yes, folks. So all I'm saying is don't be like that tablet that's left inside the box. Get outside. Be like a tablet that is opened, taken out of the box, and go and do what you meant to do in life. Don't let someone say to you, hey, Ravinda, stay in your box. Robert, stay in your box. Bandika, stay in your box. Boosie, stay in your box. Colin, stay in your box. Deborah, stay in your box. No. Don't let people put you in that box. Get out of your box. Get out of your box. Go and see and look into ways that you can potentially make yourself a better person. Because remember, I like to use the water bottle as an example. My camera never likes to pick up things like the bottle of water. Yo, I'm talking back to front even today. The bottle of water as an example. I like to use that scenario. Go and buy that bottle of water at a wholesaler. You'll get it for 3 rand. I'll use my South African currency, 3 rand. Go around the corner to the supermarket or a spaza shop, as we call it here in South Africa. You'll get it at 6 rand. Go to the restaurant when you take your family out for supper. You'll get it for 12 rand. Then you book into a hotel. And you know some hotels have drinks in the fridge. And you find when you go and drink a bottle of water out of the fridge, it's 24 rand. Then you go for a flight and you fly somewhere, either in the airport lounge or even on the aeroplane. You find that same bottle of water is 30 rand. Folks, similarly to your being in the box, you are the same bottle of water right now. But because your job is placing you as a wholesale version of yourself and not the aeroplane version of yourself, you are surrounding yourself or putting yourself in a place where you are perceived at the value of a wholesale bottle of water and not a flying aeroplane bottle of water. Because right now, you are at the bottom where it's overcrowded. And you know where I'm going to with this. For those of you that have been here long enough, we want to see you at the top where you belong. So how does the saying go? Robert and Ravinda, can I ask you to unmute and you're going to carry on for me? I'm going to say, see you. See you. One of you can help me. I can't say the...
See you on the top because the bottoms are overcrowded.
There we go. You see, even when Ravinda and them can say it, you must know it means something. Thank you, Ravinda, for that. All the way from India. All the way from India. If Ravinda can say that, we want to see you at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. Come on, folks. Come on. Let's go out there and do this. All right, folks. Like we said, we are building together one team, one mission, one future. We create wealth because it's real value, real ownership, and real impact. That's what Aureus is about. We're doing this so that we can leave a legacy. Remember, this is lifetime and generational wealth that we're building. So it's for our families, for our communities, and for our generations. And remember, when we're doing this, we are rising together. Remember, this is all gold backed, as I said in the beginning on the first slide. From gold to generations. We mine today, but we are building tomorrow by doing this. So together, we build wealth, but together we change our futures. All right, folks, that is the end of the presentation. I'm going to open up the floor now to any questions. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or testimonies, please raise your hand. We'll unmute you and you can share with us anything that's on your mind right now. All right. I'm not wanting to ask a question, so I'll lower my hand. But if there's anyone else that wants to ask a question or give a comment or a testimony, please raise your hand and we'll unmute you. All right. Anyone with a question, you can put up your hand. No one with a question?
Paul, can I say something in the meantime while we're waiting for people to maybe put
Yes,
up
you
their
can say
hand?
something in the meantime. You can say something in the meantime. Otherwise, I'm going to close the meeting.
All right. I just want to say, folks, you know, Aureus is currently going through a lot of upgrades. Okay. I have been shown even today a couple of the potential upgrades that are coming. With all the developments that we had from Monday night's meeting, I can tell you something now. I was speaking to an old friend of mine. It was today actually, someone who doesn't join many opportunities because he's been burnt like I have. And he phoned me today talking about the relationship between bankers and Aureus. As I explained things to him, even he wants to join the business. Just by a general conversation, guys. So if I can, who's lost interest in actually marketing anything because of how people have dumped the rubbish scams on our butts and let us lose so much money in the process. Guys, you cannot get anything better than Aureus. Yes, the affiliate side gets you quicker income, but Aureus is not just giving you the quick incomes. It's giving you an opportunity to build your shares through the affiliate side, which is only going to last until July next year. Then there's no more affiliate program. So this is an opportunity for you guys to actually build your shares up now so that you can build a decent, lifelong income. So don't throw it away. We're all partners here. We're all business partners. We're all shareholders in this great company. And this company is still at the 1% phase of where it's going to. So guys, don't just think on the gold mining. There's a whole lot of things that are coming on board as well that are going to generate extra income. You just heard about on Monday night a game that I've known for months, but we've officially heard about it, for example, and that's an exciting thing. There's going to be money generated from these things, guys. So, guys, it's all going to be for our benefit. Yes, there are many people who haven't even looked at their back office to check if they qualify for the daily pool. Guys, like Paul said, we need to go and check on our back office, see if we qualify on the daily pool. Because if we do, we are missing out on income. Guys, you're throwing money in the drain by not checking it, trying to get yourself on that daily pool, get your minimum criteria. 5 directs and then 5 people from between those 5 directs. That's minimum requirements, guys. Then you can build it and get a daily income with any shares that you sell. Okay? We are not an investment. We are giving you the opportunity to be an owner in a company. And that is what you are offering other people. So don't just sit back and say, oh, okay, we got the big bosses doing it and so on. No, don't sit back. Go out there and actively do it. Talk to people, whether you in a supermarket or on a bus, or you speak on Facebook or TikTok or anything like that. Wherever you go, Oreo should be the first thing that comes out your mouth. Let people say, what do you do? Not your job that you're working in. Oreos should be the first thing that comes out of your mouth because that's how you build relationships, even with strangers. I've done it many times traveling with a Bolt or a Uber or whatever. And I've got a couple of people who were interested, and I got one that already signed up from just doing that every single time. If I can do it, guys, every single one of you can. So go out there, be positive. Be encouraged, be motivated, no matter how many setbacks that we might see happening, because every company goes through setbacks and they have to readjust and reaccommodate. We're not building you for a now income. We are building you for a lifelong generational income. So guys, from me, from my heart, I just want to say, go out there, be positive, be encouraged, challenge yourself to go over and above what you think you are capable of. And you will see God will stand behind you and support you. He will give you the desires of your heart. Just go forward. and take action today, guys. Thank you very much. Over to you, Paul.
All right, Robert, I just wanted to share with people quickly on the dashboard side where they can go to do the things that we're telling them that they must do. Obviously, in this regard, I am not the best person to explain this because me personally, I'm not building the business. Sorry, let me not say I'm not building the business. Personally, in my own personal capacity, I'm not building the business, but I'm helping others do it because I'm always helping others on their live TikToks or speaking to them, having meetings with people. I just don't have time, to be honest, to put into my own business. But I know helping them will help the company, which then helps me earn money as well in the long run. So that's how I'm looking at it right now, because I don't want to say I'm comfortable where I am, don't get me wrong, but I have for now enough shares to earn a decent amount when dividends start getting paid. However, there are those of us out there like Robert and like myself have been saying throughout this whole meeting that you know that your dividends are not going to cut it at the end of the day only, and you want to earn weekly, daily, or monthly money. And that is what we're trying to show you here. So when you go onto your dashboard, by default, you will be on the shareholder dashboard. You can see it says shareholder here. You just click on this arrow, or on your phone, this little arrow is half under the banner here. You see the Aureus banner? On your phone, it will be half. So you'll just see the little arrow. You click on the arrow. Sorry. You'll see this little arrow here. Sorry, there. You see this arrow here? You click on that arrow, then you'll get the two dashboards. Make sure for your affiliate side of the business, you want to be on the blue dashboard. You click on it. Then you would need to, on your phone, the top right, you'll see a little hamburger icon, a little yellow block with white lines, 3 white lines. That is called a hamburger icon. When you click that, then this pops up on the screen. Then you scroll down. So what you want to do is, this is where your commissions are, on your commission tab. All right. If you earn commissions, this is where you'll see it. There you see overview. You'll see transactions. You'll see that's where you can convert. There you can see I've already got $4.50 to my name. Not enough for a share yet, so I'm not going to convert it. There's your transfer of shares. Now, this will only come into effect when it is opened again after all 19 phases and all 1.4 million shares are sold. That will be available again. There's your withdrawal. So I can now choose to withdraw if I want to. There's the history. It just shows you what is coming in and going out, and then obviously notifications, different notifications you get. But what I do want to show you is the gold diggers and the performance pool. So under your commission, 1, 2, 3rd. So if you go straight from the top, overview is 1, referrals 2, commission 3, sales analysis 4, marketing 5. So gold diggers is the 6th tab. So if you want to know on the gold diggers what's happening, you go to the 6th tab, scroll down, and then you will see. But what you need to do on the gold diggers is make sure you're on the current phase. Remember, because this does tell you from the start who was earning in the gold diggers before, but you want to make sure you are on the current one. And then it will tell you the statistics for the current phase. So if you look at the current phase, you will see currently Jimmy from the States is in 1st place. Zancorp, Shaz, Lipsarudra, I can't even say the people's names. There's Rafiwa. There's Anita. So those two are right under each other, mom and child in the system. They're pushing each other here. You can see just about almost the same. If you click there, you'll get more people. There's Letitia. Let's see. Did I go past Ravinda? Because I know there's Ravinda. There's Ravinda. He's always in the middle. He's always in the middle. Ravinda, come on. This month is yours. You need to go to the top. You need to go to the top. Just trying to see any other names that I'm recognizing here. Noxie. Sahu. I know someone with the surname Sahu. I just can't remember who that is. But anyway, Secure Fund is Daniel. Siraj, yes, from Nepal, yes. Crypto Lover, yes, I know. So folks, Rajendra, so you can see there is some Indian people here as well that are working the system quite well, all right? So the one that I'm not seeing here, maybe I went past it, was what did he say his username was? Joe. I'm not seeing it here now for the life of me. Okay, I'm not seeing it for now. Maybe he hasn't sold anything yet this month. But he did feature in the last 2 months. He featured. He was on the list. Kemar from the States. He was doing well the last few months. So yes. Folks, that is where you see the Gold Diggers competition, all right? That's a monthly pool. Now, your daily one for the leaders. Now, let me just show you here quickly. I'm not qualified, right? There you can see I've got 5 level 1 referrals, but not all of them are active. So yeah, you'll see if I click on the qualified, yeah, it tells you only 2 of those 5 are active. And I don't have any second level. So you normally would be able to see if you qualified. It will tell you you qualified, and it will tell you how you qualified. But then when you qualified, yeah, you will be able to register a team. So if I was qualified, I would be able to see the button that says register. You then register your team. But yeah, folks, 59 teams there. It says it, 59 teams. And some of these people are qualified. Look at this. 96 level 1s. 87 level 2s. That's not a small team. This person is losing money every day. That person, that username starts with THE, is losing money every day. Because I can tell you now, that's not a small team, and someone is doing something there. Someone is inviting someone there. And why are they losing money? Folks, please go out and educate your team and your members or your upliners. If they don't know about it and you've learned about it, maybe they just don't know how to work technology. Maybe they knew how to invite you, they just don't know. Maybe help them. Because when they make more money, then they're going to help you make more money. Because it will go both ways. So folks, there are teams out there. This one as well. A medium-sized team, 23 level 1s and 12 level 2s. That's also a team that should be earning money, that I believe should be on the leaderboard, but isn't qualified yet because they are not registered. Folks, go out and look in your back office. Go and look if you are qualified to register your team. Right? Now, there's Werner. There's Werner. There's Wayne. There's Rafiwa. There's Kevin. That same team that I told you about just now that are earning with each other, they are still performing with each other. You can see they're earning slightly differently today, but because they are performing, the team is earning. Go and help your team. Go and perform together and earn together. Don't let anyone stand there and sit there and say, oh, Paul, I'm not earning money. Okay, let's see. Can we get you qualified? Can we get you earning daily money? Can you then help your team below you also get qualified? And start working with each other to empower each other to do this. All right. There's my little training tip. There's my little tip on where to go in your back office. Folks, the tools are there. Make use of it. All right. I'm going to stop sharing for now while Robert...
Donovan is online.
Donovan. Oh, okay.
There we go.
I didn't see how long he's been here. Maybe he wants to scream at me because I said something wrong. Our one and only CEO is in the house. So for those of you that also don't join enough meetings, please, looks like he's driving in a car. Looks like he's driving in his car because he's hiding away half the time. There he is. There he is. Our one and only CEO,
Evening,
Mr.
guys.
Jonathan James.
Evening, everybody. Hey, Paul.
I can't tell you if he's in Durban or Cape Town or wherever, but one minute he will wake up in Joburg. The next minute he will be in Durban. Then the next minute he's sleeping in Cape Town. This is our jet-setting CEO.
I'm in Durban, guys. I'm in Durban. I just left the office. I'm meeting with Alejandro from Bunkers just now. So I'm on my way home quickly to get a jacket, and I'm meeting with him in the next 45 minutes. So another late night for me.
Folks, you listen to that. Say that again, boss. Say that again. Late night. Folks,
Another late night.
The business is not working. Our CEO, our leadership is always in meetings this time of the day. Normal businesses are closed. Hello, our CEO is on his way to making another alliance in our name, alliance with bankers. Come on, folks. Thank you, Donovan. Thank you.
Is Werner and Wayne in the meeting here?
No, I have not seen either of them join today. They are not in the meeting. Maybe they are also having other meetings because I know they're also busy sometimes. They're not in this meeting, no.
No, we were with them yesterday in Joburg. In between meetings, we managed to catch up with them for a bit. But they're aware that we had a midnight meeting last night, which we only got back to our hotel room at 4 a.m. And we had to be up at 6 a.m. to get to the airport again, to get to Durban and attend to some meetings here. And then we had to meet with Alejandro towards the afternoon. And we had the pleasure of meeting Roifo in person today. So
yes, I saw. And I think you're not going to swipe the smile off her face from that meeting. I think that photo is going to become a thing. She's going to mount it and put it up in her room, I believe.
That's right. So she's coming through to our offices tomorrow morning.
Awesome.
Yeah. She's looking forward to coming through to the office tomorrow.
Awesome.
Yeah.
No. So, folks, yes, Donovan, JP, Neil and Sachi were also there today to welcome Alejandro. They saw him at the event that they were doing in Durban. They're obviously also launching Bankers in South Africa, but it almost works hand in hand together because our office is also very close to opening. And I do know Bankers at that stage is also going to come out and be at our opening. So yes, there is Donovan telling you what happened today, but this alliance that we're building is going to benefit both companies. I believe, Donovan, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if you were at the meeting while he was talking, but yesterday, apparently, people on Bankers were saying that Bankers was marketing Aureus in their meeting. So I was quite surprised to hear that. So awesome.
Correct. That's right.
Amazing stuff.
I just dropped in to say, how's it? I saw the Zoom still going on, so I just wanted to pop in and say hi. I'm almost home. I just want to grab a jacket and get on the road again.
No problem. Thank you for that. Folks, there we go. There's a CEO, late night. He sees a Zoom meeting on. He doesn't, okay, my people will just take care of it. He still feels the need to just jump on, say hello, put his face out there for us. Because remember, folks, I can tell you now, there's so many AIs out there. And we're fighting about it on a daily basis in our marketing team. Sometimes AI takes over, but there are times where we know we can't put AI to our faces. We can't make Donovan look different. We can't make me look different. We need to have genuine pictures of us because at the end of the day, you need to identify who we are. So we are there so you can see. Donovan likes to come on camera so you can see who he is. JP likes to be on camera. I will always be on camera. I'm not going to hide who I am because at the end of the day, we don't want you to say, hey, that Paul guy or that Donovan guy, they were AI, they weren't real, or this or that. No, folks, we are real. We are real. I can tell you now, the gentleman sitting there in his car driving, there is no ways that is photoshopped or AI. I can tell you that now. I've seen the man in action. Waking up here, working there, sleeping there. 3 different cities in one. No. Come on. That is not AI that. There is no ways.
No,
All
we're
right,
building,
folks, so
we're building a big company for you guys. So,
there we go.
you know,
Thank you very much, Donovan. I appreciate all that you are doing there. We really do appreciate it. And there's now that we speak about being on camera, now he only puts on his camera. Come on, Mr. Support Agent, our 007 of Aureus. There he is. Looks almost like the Mario Brothers Undertaker. But anyway, our caretaker, Robert himself, all the way. I think he's back in Johannesburg, but I'm sure he also wants to go back to Durban. I think he enjoyed his time there. But folks, is there anyone else with a question quickly? Anyone else with a question? Otherwise, I do believe we are at the end of this meeting. I will post the recording up as soon as we are done and it's rendered on my side. Is there anyone else with a question? All right, no questions. So, folks, then we will see each and every one of you. Please go into your dashboard, your affiliate side, and go and look if you are leaving money on the table because maybe you have a team that qualifies you to earn the daily performance pool, but you have not gone to do that yet. Please go and look if you are qualified. Register your team and stand a chance to be one of those top 10 leaders daily that are earning the daily performance pool. Also, if you are earning on a daily performance pool, you should then also be one of those that are going to feature on the Gold Diggers competition. Because inevitably, if your team is performing, you're going to feel the need to perform as well. And you might just find that you're doing the Gold Diggers competition as well. So I would say the two probably work hand in hand. So folks, if you are working this program, great. If you have not started, maybe today is the time you need to start. Remember, we want to see you at the top because the bottom is overcrowded. And that being said, the next time we see you at the top is on Friday, 8:30, same time, same link. Please, if we don't post the link, it's always the same as it was tonight, as it was on Monday, as it was on Friday last week. It's always the same. So please, you don't need to ask for the link. If it is in the group somewhere, it's the same link. Just click on it. It will still take you to the right meeting. But we will try and send the link. If we don't, just know that it's still on same time. All right. See you guys on Friday. I'm hoping that we'll have more in numbers. So please share it with your team. We filled the room on Monday night. Let's fill it again on Friday night because there's more people that need to know on how they can change their circumstances. There's Donovan, as he said, going to make sure our company grows. Thank you, Donovan, our CEO. We appreciate you. Thank you,
welcome,
Robert,
guys.
for being in the background. Thank you, Ravinda, all the way in India. We appreciate the Indian community and the Hindi community for doing what they do. We will see everyone again on Friday. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Have a good evening. Cheers. Bye.